Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to CUBOT King Kong Mini free. Begin by opening Play Store on both. When you're ready, you need to download this free app from this developer on both devices. Send anywhere file transfer. When it's ready, open it. To use it, you need to set it up by tapping on the same options in both apps. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge. Then confirm. Continue. And allow. In this window about new updates, you can tap on Not Now or close it right away by hitting OK. Then tap on your device's screens and select Send at the bottom left corner of an Android. Then Receive right next to Send at the bottom of CUBOT King Kong Mini free. Finally, you can use all of those categories at the top of your Android device and select all of your photos, videos, audio files, apps, contacts and files that you wish to transfer. I will go with only a couple, just for example. When you're ready, hit Send next to Selected at the bottom and choose Got it in Here's Some Tip pop-up. Now it's time to decide which connection way will be better for you. If you want to connect by inputting this key, click on Input Key section. Type in all of those numbers in correct order. And hit Receive. If you prefer to scan the QR code, tap on the scanning icon above User Guide. Close and add. Allow camera access in the pop-up and point it at the code. Then wait. As you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!